Hi guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I want to use the definition of derivative to find the derivative of this function where I have a fraction in the power. So from the definition of derivative, we know that the derivative of a function f of x is written as f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. So that means I need to construct this thing, so that is x plus h means I have x plus h power 3 divided by 2. And I can write this in the form x 3 divided by 2 into 1 plus h divided by x power 3 divided by 2. So I can use now the binomial expansion on this. I can write this x power 3 divided by 2 into 1 plus 3 divided by 2 times x plus 3 divided by 2 into 3 divided by 2 minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into x squared divided by x squared and so on. Okay, I can write this separating this term. I can write x power 3 divided by 2 plus x power 3 divided by 2 into 3 divided by 2x, and then plus I put this whole term equal to c divided by 2 factorial into h squared divided by x squared and plus so on. Now I want to construct the numerator so that I can do by f of x plus h minus f of x, and writing this whole value 3 divided by 2 plus x 3 divided by 2 into, oh, I made a mistake. Yes, I definitely made a mistake. This in fact is h divided by x, so I have h divided by x at this position as well. So that's 3 divided by 2 into h divided by x plus c divided by 2 factorial h squared divided by x squared plus so on. And then I subtract the value of f of x, which is this, so I write that minus x power 3 divided by 2. This 3 divided by 2 and this 3 divided by 2 gives 0. So I'm left with x power 3 divided by 2 into, okay, one more thing, since there is h in with all other terms we have h, I take that h common and can write things like this: 3 divided by 2 times 1 over x, because I'm taking that common, c divided by 2 factorial h divided by x squared plus so on. Now I want to put this value in the definition board here, so I remove these things, this very safely, this, and I can put this value into this relation. Then if prime of x is given by limit h tends to 0, the value, this value, x 3 divided by 2 h into 3 divided by 2 into 1 over x, right, this thing, plus c divided by 2 factorial into h divided by x squared, so on, the whole divided with h. I can cancel this h with this h, and now this term is independent from h, and all these terms depend on h. Therefore I can separate that term as well, and writing it in the form limit h tends to 0, x 3 divided by 2 divided by 2x, this whole term, and then plus this bracket over here, x 3 divided by 2 into c divided by 2 factorial h divided by x squared plus so on. This term is independent of limit, so it would remain the same. And this term and all the other terms are edge dependent, and it comes in the numerator. So if I apply the limit, those terms will vanish, and we would be left with 2 divided by 2x, which I can write as 3 divided by 2 into x power 3 divided by 2 minus 1, taking this up. So I get this 3 divided by 2 into x power half. So this is the derivative of this function. Thanks for watching.